Drake Tax Software Review, Usage Experience. Links to Drake Tax software are in the description. Drake Tax is a professional tax preparation software designed for accountants, tax professionals, and firms handling individual and business tax returns. It offers robust features, including federal and state tax preparation, e-filing, client management, and an intuitive interface that prioritizes efficiency. One of its standout features is Drake's data entry system, which minimizes redundant input and speeds up workflow. The software supports multi-state returns, integrates with accounting solutions, and provides built-in tax planning tools. Drake's accuracy checking tools ensure compliance, reducing errors before filing. The automatic calculations and extensive error diagnostics make it reliable for professionals dealing with high volumes of returns. Additionally, the customizable reports and document management system help streamline operations. Customer support is highly rated, offering phone and online assistance with quick response times. While the software is feature-rich, it is best suited for experienced tax professionals rather than beginners, as the learning curve can be steep. Pricing is competitive compared to industry alternatives, with both pay-per-return and unlimited return options available. However, it lacks a fully cloud-based version, meaning remote accessibility is limited unless using third-party hosting. Overall, Drake Tax software is a powerful solution for professionals who prioritize speed, accuracy, and reliability in tax preparation. It may not be ideal for solo preparers with minimal clients, but for firms managing multiple returns, it is one of the most efficient choices available. If you're a tax professional looking for a comprehensive yet streamlined software, Drake Tax is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.